In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen in Slack Huddles. If you're collaborating with teammates and want everyone to see exactly what you're seeing, screen sharing in a huddle is the fastest way to get on the same page. A huddle is Slack's lightweight audio or video call that opens right inside a channel or direct message, and the screen share tool lives right in that huddle window. Once you're in your huddle call window, look along the call controls and find the third icon. It looks like a little monitor or screen. Hovering over it will usually show a label like Share Screen. Go ahead and click that monitor icon. This is the button that starts the sharing process and tells Slack you're ready to present what's on your computer. Right after you click it, Slack will ask you what you want to share. You'll see options for things like an entire screen, a specific window, or sometimes a particular application. Choose what best fits your situation. If you want your audience to follow as you switch between apps, pick your entire screen. If you want to keep everything else private and only show a single app, like a slide deck or a browser, select just that window. If you work with multiple monitors, you'll see each display listed separately, so make sure you select the one that actually has the content you want to present. Before you move on, take a second to tidy up. Close anything unrelated, and consider turning on Do Not Disturb or silencing notifications so pop-ups don't appear while you're sharing. This keeps the focus on what matters and protects your privacy. On some computers, the first time you try to share, your operating system may ask you to grant screen recording or display permissions to Slack. If you see that prompt, follow the on-screen instructions so Slack is allowed to show your screen to others. After you've selected the screen or window you want, click Share. Your teammates will immediately see what you chose, and your cursor movements will guide them through your walkthrough. You might notice a colored border around the area you're sharing or a small preview that confirms it's live. If anything looks off, like you picked the wrong monitor, just stop the share and start again with the correct choice. A stable internet connection will help keep things crisp and in sync for everyone. That's all there is to it. Click the monitor icon in your huddle call window, choose the screen or window you want to present, and then click Share. With these simple steps and a couple of quick prep tips, you can share clearly and confidently in any Slack huddle.